Hey guys, welcome back to Parm Fam Custom Woodworking. I'm Matt, and today I'm working on a project. We're making some drawers, and I've got to rabbet out this section of them. And I've been doing it with just my single blade on my table saw here, and just go through and do it swipe after swipe. Well, I figured I'm gonna go buy a Dado Blade and see how it works. So I went down to Harbor Freight. I picked up a Dado Blade. We're gonna go ahead and open this thing up, get it put in here, and cut the rest of these. See how this thing opens here. All right, so it's got a pretty neat little plywood case comes with. It's got instructions in the top. It's got the two blades. Then some shims. Then the little chipper blades that are in here. So let's go ahead and get this thing tore apart and get her set up. All right, so we're gonna be going with a 3/4 inch. I don't know if you guys can make that out or not, but on the instructions here, we go up to 3/4 inch. It tells me I'm gonna need the 8-inch 24 tooth blade on the outside, one on the outside, and then I'm gonna need 4 of the 1/8 inch chipper blades. We got that. We'll go ahead and put our first one in. So now it says I need to put in a .024 inch. We get one in there, and then we can add in as many as we want until we get to the right depth. And I think it said we needed 4 of them. And then I believe we need to put another spacer in here. Blade. I don't know if I'll have enough room to put my washer on here. Go ahead and put a nut on. Almost made a huge mistake. I had this blade in the wrong direction. We'll go ahead and check all of our teeth here. All right, so now we got her put in there. Now I've got this cut. I just use this as a sacrificial fence. I'm gonna put it on here like so. Keep my clamps up a little bit so my boards will go through there. I want to get that to the right height, which is 3/8 of an inch. So that looks good right there. I will say, having never used one of these before, I'm a little nervous. Does seem to make a pretty nice cut. I mean, it's pretty flat right there. This was already kind of blown out from before, but this is pretty flat. That's good. See if I have my measurements right here. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it on there. So we'll go from the 1-inch line. We go back. We're at 3/8 of an inch. And see if it fits my board in here. That's perfect as well. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the rest of these up. All right, guys. Well, I would say that that's pretty good. That's the Harbor Freight Dado Blade, $65. It's got a nice clean cut to it. Nice sharp edge, easy setup. I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks, I'll catch you on the next one.